Hi, it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we are filming the Zoom Story Room craft for Tuesday, December 15th. So you'll need your crafting kit, scissors, colors, and a glue stick. And what we're going to take out for today are all of these green and red pieces. Additionally, you should have 2 white circles. Here's our other one hiding. 2 white circles and 1 white Y looking shape. Awesome. So we've got all of our pieces out and ready to go. And we're going to begin by assembling our alien and getting him ready to go. So I'm going to start by putting his pants on, and we're just going to glue the red to the bottom edge, just like this. Take your glue stick, take your glue stick and attach that on. Brilliant. And this is the underpants accent. And this one's a little tall for my alien's underpants. So we're going to go ahead and trim it just a little bit so that we can glue it on so it fits all on the red. And we'll glue that down. Brilliant. And then we're going to want our alien to have his little hat on. So we'll go ahead and attach that. And I like to put it on one side of his head because we only have one little alien ear sticking out. And it's because the other one we're going to pretend is hiding behind the hat. So we'll glue his ear to the back of the body, and then we can glue his arms on. You can glue them to the front or the back. I'm going to go ahead and glue them to the back. And you can arrange them however you feel like is fun for you. There we go. We are cooking. And now we'll just attach some legs for our little alien, our little alien friend. And one more quick step, we'll do the whites of our alien friend's eyes. And our little friend is assembled. So now we can put our glue away and we can take out our colors and start decorating. I'm going to give my alien green eyes, I think. So I'm just coloring in the pupils of his eyes. And I think he is feeling happy, so I'm going to give him a little smile. And what else? I'm going to decorate his hat, I think. I'm going to take my white crayon, put a couple of polka dots in his hat. This is a really fun craft because it's got a lot of pieces to put together, and you can kind of arrange them however you like and learn how the different angles and arrangements can make your alien look different from your friend or brother or sister's alien, and so on and so forth. You can continue to color. If I wanted, I could use this screen here to put more polka dots on the alien even. Maybe the alien's polka dotty. But for now, I'm just going to put a little bit of an accent on his ear and on his hands and feet. And there we go. We have a super cute alien in his holiday underpants. And I hope you guys enjoyed crafting with us. We hope to see you all next time. Have a great day.